Okay, what I'm trying to do is create a platform that I can get higher up, because I'm tired of using the ladder to finish out this job, even though I could easily just mount the ladder, mount it down, do my little spot, and then take it, tear it down, and keep doing it again. But this should be faster. I'll see if I can add some wheels to it. If I can't, what I'm gonna do is add some planks to make it a no-tip situation so it won't tilt when I'm in the middle of the patio cover. And so I'm trying not to waste my good wood. Looks bad to most people, but it's still solid in the core, so it's good wood. I'm going to try to use short pieces to finish the platform, and then we'll build from there, and so I can detach it and then reuse the wood again. All right, this is what I'm walking on today. As you can see, we got some planks here, and so that way I can get up at the top of the patio cover. But I got to do some cleanup first. As you can see, we got some nails I got to chop off, so let's do that first. Okay, now I'm just start laying the boards out, the planks, to see how much walking distance I got up and down. It's sprinkling a little bit, but I ain't worried about that. Yeah, you do see tree trunks over on the left hand side. This is just a temporary structure, so I will be using these. Let me lay the planks out on this side. That's it. If I have more planks, I will have more walking distance. So I got to measure the length. I'll let you know what the length is. Also, I want to cut it to my shortest board. That way I keep most of the length, and I plan on reusing these boards anyway. Okay, so I straighten up this left side, as you can see. So the cutoff will be on my shortest board, which will be about right there. And so everything off that is cut off. This is my walking space, which is not much, but it's enough that I can get up on the roof and walk comfortable. Okay, let's measure it up. Looks like we got 41 inches or 3 foot 5 inches on the length. Longest board, 3 foot 8 inches. Okay, I just want to bring you in. I decided on my pieces. And I'm gonna try not to cut anything, and if I can keep from cutting anything when I take it apart, I can use the full length of the wood. Some I might trim, but these are the pieces I decide on for the platform. All right, let's get it built. Okay, so this is what I did. I just rearranged the boards, one side flush, the other side ordered from smallest to greatest, so I know that that tip is the lighter side. So we're gonna go ahead and get it nailed in. that one again. Okay, I decided on a piece for the platform. It's much longer than what I should have did was put this long one on the outside, but I'm not gonna worry about it now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here in the middle. So we got middle support. Then I'm gonna run a cross beam and get the legs on it. All right, so got support and 3-point of contact. Left, right, and the middle. Now it's nice and sturdy. Like I said, I'm gonna reuse these nails. Just temporary setup. All right, so the rain is catching me. This is it for part 1, is building the platform. And on the second part, I'm gonna go ahead and put the legs up in the supports, and then we can also erect it and see if I can climb up and get to what I need on the patio cover. So let me show you what we're trying to reach, and then we'll get it lifted up on the second video. Okay, main part, this area has been painted. So what we're actually trying to reach is the peak of the roof. And then also to add a third beam on each side. And instead of using a ladder, that's why I'm building this platform over here to make it easy so I could do it quick, get up there and nail up what I need and paint what I need. And so when I install the roof, this is gonna make it real quick. All right, so on to part 2.